Whoa, whoa, whoa! Not so fast, young man. We're here to teach you all about electricity.
The safe way! It's way cooler than you think!
Electricity is fast energy that travels inside wires. It comes from big power plants and zooms to your house to run lights and toys.
A booze. When electricity touches your body, it can hurt you really, really badly.
Rule number 1. Never put your fingers, toys, pencils, screwdrivers, or anything into sockets.
Rule number 2. Water and electricity are not friends. Always keep your hands completely dry before touching anything electrical.
And rule number 3. This one is super important. If you ever see something that looks wrong with electricity,
tell a grown-up immediately!
Stay safe with electricity!